No! I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. There's no way. There's no way, bro. Really? You gotta be. I'm done. Because this shit's crazy. This shit's crazy, bro. I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Like, literally. Like, what? Like, what the? You literally. Bro. It is 11:22 p.m. It is past midnight in the fucking East Coast, and you made us stay up for this shit. Excuse my language, but you made us stay up. You made me, really? You made us stay up past midnight for this shit? You really made us stay up past fucking midnight for this shit. For this shit garbage from this company. But you made us sit through a damn near 5-hour pay-per-view for this bullshit. This company is a fucking joke. That is 2 straight pay-per-views with a bullshit ending from this company. All because Moxley had creative control and he didn't want to lose. So they had to go and book some. They had to go and book some shitty finish, so that way he can still be protected. Because he didn't want to lose. He didn't want to lose. That's the problem. He has creative control over that fucking storyline, and he did not want to lose, and he didn't want to put Swerve over. So they was like, okay, let's book a screwy finish so Swerve doesn't look weak and I don't look weak. Like, what the fuck? Staying up at 11:24. It is past midnight in the East Coast. And you made me wait for that shit? You made all of us wait for this shit. I'm sorry if any family members are watching. Please excuse my language, or any family members that's going to see this clip. Please excuse my language. But this company is so fucking brainwashed. This company is a damn joke. This company is a damn joke. I swear. Literally. So you're literally going to make us wait until July? July! Fucking July! So the Young Bucks come back, right? So what are we going to get? So this is going to end up in Swerve teaming up with Heyman to face the Young Bucks. That's going to be the program for All In? That's going to be the program for All In? While Moxley goes and face Ospreay?